One of the great dilemmas many people have is understanding what love is. It's a question that has been explored since time immemorial. Undeniably, it is love that is the most powerful force in life. And it follows that at the core of all religion and genuine spirituality is some form of love, some cultivation of the heart. Ocean of Mercy is a unique memoir. We are given entrance into a fascinating story of tragedy, adventure and grace through the eyes of Bhakti Charu Swami. While on his pilgrimage for truth, he came to the Krishna Consciousness movement. At that time, there were thousands of devotees in the movement who had given their whole lives to serve their guru. This search culminated in his rediscovery of the culture of India, and finally finding his spiritual master, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, an Indian spiritual teacher and the founder Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. In Ocean of Mercy, we are transported into the intimate pastimes of Srila Prabhupada as he preached to the masses, guided individuals, and responded to various challenges as a powerful world Acharya, a spiritual exemplar and teacher. Bhakti Charu Swami takes us by the hand and brings us into Srila Prabhupada's private quarters, and at times to his bedside during the final year of his physical presence. In doing so, through his own devoted eyes, the Swami gives us entrance into what only a few have seen. Come on and join the adventurous and enlightening journey into divinity and love with His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami in Ocean of Mercy.